we're back. Now that I got the boot off, you got one Torx. It's a T45 size Torx bolt right here, and then you have one on the inside of the seat as well, which you can access from the front in here. It's a little bit difficult, but you can do it. First, you're going to start by taking this T45 Torx off at the base on the other side back here. You don't need to take the back side seat off, but I'm going to take this off since I bought a boot and this one's all torn to hell. So I'm going to replace the boot as well. Alright, I will get back to you once I have the back off.